Hey, here's a challenge. Can you break 404 down to its building block? That means the prime numbers that multiply to give 404. So stick around as we are going to solve the magic of prime factorization, and it is easier than it looks and way more satisfying. So what is prime factorization? Prime factorization expressing a number as a product of its prime factor. So those indivisible numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, and so on. So in other words, we are finding out what prime number multiply to give 404. So let's find out. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it and mention your country name in the comment box because it gives motivation from where you are watching. So 404, we can see that it's an even number. So it can be divisible by the first prime number, that is 2. So 404 divided by 2 gives 202. Now 202 is also even. Divided by 2 gives 101. Now 101 is a prime number. And if you want to know how can we solve it, there is a video and the link in the description box. The prime factorization of 101, you can check out from there. So 101 is a prime number. So 404 prime factorizations are 2 power 2 times 101. I hope it's clear and if I didn't useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.